Okay, it wasn't until I was done with the video that I came back into the house, and judging by the paint that was on that hatch that is missing for the second time, I felt it went on the Japanese tank, the little Atlanta slash Aurora kit, but it has the hatches open with the commander in it. And then I remembered when I looked at the instruction sheet, there was a ring that went on top. That was the part that I lost. And I hand cut replacement hatches. So I went back out of the TARDIS. I tore the place apart. I had the thing in my hand, cleaned off the Aztec putty, went, and I looked at my models, and because I'd done such a great job fixing that hatch, I didn't realize that was where I'd forgotten that I'd lost the part. And I have no idea where I put it. I had it in my hand for a couple of minutes, and then I went on to other things. And I have retraced my steps. It's got to be, I had to be standing within a foot of it, or 2 feet of it, 3 feet of it at some point. And now it is bugging the absolute crap out of me. So tomorrow, or today, most likely, when I should be building, I'm going to be tearing the TARDIS apart, looking for a part that I had in my hand. Why is this bothering me so much? This is like the most inconsequential thing, but it's like a hair out of place. You just can't let it go. And I'll probably tomorrow, it'd be an opportunity to clean the place up a little bit and keep it organized. And of course, we all know that when I quit looking for it, I'll turn around and there it'll be. Maybe I should quit looking for it now, but model builders. Okay, I just wanted to throw that little tidbit out there. We've all been there. We'll all be there again. That's model building. Take care, guys. We'll talk to you later. As always, model on.